Lego. Original man. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chillin' in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I spitting for me bars, me, I never back down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video, I'll be trying on this headband wig from Arabella Hair. So first, I'm going to unbox this wig. Let's see what we have inside. And they also sent 3 headbands. So what do we have in this bag? Let me see. Another headband, a pair of lashes, hair clips, edge control brush, another fancy hair clip, and of course a wig cap, a black wig cap, which I don't think I'll be using right now. So this is a coily wig. This is what it looks like. The wig is really full, just how I like my coily hair. It's full, it's long. I think this is 20 or 18 inches. I'll see, I'll put it in the description box. So I'm going to do my edges first, and I'm using this edge control from my collection. I'm trying not to show you guys what my hair looks like right now because it's really rough. So I'm going to spray some water on my edges. So this is the edge control that I'll be using. Okay, so I think I'm going to start from here, and I'm going to comb the hair. Make sure that the edge control touches every part of the hair, and I'm going to detangle it because I have some knots on my edges. So I'm going to use the brush.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah. I want to meet you. Girl, you want me island too. Beauty now your body, girl, me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, girl, your fire can cool. Wait, she says she want the rundown. Bad man, I mean they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man, I mean they run town. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me I give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me I give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing.
So first I use this side, and then I go in with this other side.
And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. 1, 2. Original Batman. Lego. Fire can't cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a...
So this is what it looks like. So right now I'm going to place the stocking cap to cover, you know, the rest of the mess, and then pull it back a little. So yeah, I love my edges. So I'm going to tie it down for like 5 minutes, normally 10, but my edges are already laid, and let me just tie it down for only 5 minutes. So I'm going to, you know, moisturize this hair, apply leave-in conditioner, and yeah.
Bad man, they feel alright. Let go. Original Batman.
It's Beauties.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me.
You know how I'm feeling about this wig already.
Bad man they want to fail. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man and they want to say. I she not bad man they want to fail.
Fire can't cool me up on fire.
Original Batman.
Somebody said we are on dire.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl system warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't see a baseline. Live night, can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me a waistline. I.
This hair is soft. It is really soft, you guys, and it is so full. Despite putting water and everything, you can still see, hey, see volume now, see volume, see softness. You can feel the softness through your screen, don't lie. You can feel the softness through your screen. Okay, I look so cute in this. See volume, see softness, see coils.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's Beauties.
Standard.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby I can smoke it out.
I'm going to leave every details of this wig in my description box below in case you guys are interested. So that's all for this video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any upload from me. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Them are random. Me have to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating.